I'm Russ Horn, and today I want to show you the ranking of currencies, or how to properly construct a currency pair. When you go into your charts or any trading platform, you're going to find that the currencies are labeled in such a way. I'm going to go to my market watch, and we're going to see that we have all these different currency pairs, and they're always constructed the same way. At the top, we've got Euro USD. You'll never see USD Euro. And then we've got the USD Japanese yen. You'll never see the Japanese yen USD. And here are a few more examples of that. We've got the pound yen, but not the yen pound. We've got the euro odd, but not the odd euro. We've got the USD Canadian dollar, but not the CAD USD. We've got the franc yen, but not the yen franc. We've got the odd franc, but not the franc odd. So currencies have a ranking, and when you know where they fall within the rank, you'll always be able to create that currency pair. Now, the ranking is what we see here on the list. Starts with the euro, followed by the pound, the Australian dollar, the New Zealand dollar, the US dollar, the Canadian dollar, the Swiss franc, and the Japanese yen. These are the top 8 most commonly traded currencies, and these are their ranking amongst themselves. And the way we construct a currency pair is to look at that currency within the pair in this ranking order. If it is higher up on the list, it will be first. If it is lower down on the list, it will be second. So let's take a look at a couple of examples. So to the right, we've got the list. Now we're looking to trade the euro plus the Canadian dollar, the euro CAD. So we're going to take a look at the list. We're going to see that the euro is number 1 on the list and the CAD is number 6. So the euro comes first and the CAD is second. And that's going to give us the pair, the euro CAD. In this example, we're looking at the New Zealand dollar and Australian dollar. But if we take a look at the list, we'll see that the Australian dollar is higher on the list than the New Zealand dollar. And with this being the case, the arrangement is going to be the Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar. The Australian dollar is first, the New Zealand dollar is second. Now we're looking at the Japanese yen and the British pound. The British pound is number 2 on the list and the Japanese yen is number 8. So in this pair, we're going to see that it's labeled as the pound yen. We've got the US dollar Japanese yen. And again on this list, US dollar is number 5 when the Japanese yen is number 8. So this pair is going to be shown this way, the US dollar Japanese yen. And finally, we'll take a look at the US dollar British pound. So on this list, the British pound is number 2 and the US dollar is number 5. So this pair is going to be shown as the pound US dollar. With the US dollar, we're going to see that with some currency pairs, the US dollar is going to be the first currency shown, and with other currency pairs, it's going to be the second currency shown. But this is a great way to better organize the currency pairs, so you're always going to be able to find the different currency pairs that you're looking for. Now, I go one step further with my charts. So I'm going to pull up my Forex.com chart, and we're going to see that across the bottom, I have these different tabs. Now, I trade 13 different currency pairs. They're my lucky 13. And they are labeled in order. They are in order as far as the pair is constructed, but they're also in order as far as they are on the list. So the very first currency pair at the bottom here is the Euro Australian dollar, followed by the Euro USD, followed by the Euro yen. And then I go all the way through that. So by doing this, I don't have to search for my currency pair. I've done this long enough. I've memorized the order of the different currencies. I know just by default where they fall in the list. So when I'm looking for a currency pair, I can find it instantly. I know exactly where it's going to be. This is also going to help when you're looking for a currency pair that you can't readily find on your list. So if I go to the market watch and I see that I've got this list of currencies and I'm looking to trade something in particular, but I can't find it on the list. Let's say the franc Japanese yen, and I can't see it on the list. So what I'll do is down here where the dates are, I'll double click and go CHF JPY. I know this is the case. This is the order that they're going to be. So once I hit enter, it is going to show me the franc Japanese yen. Now, if I were to type it in wrong, if I were to type in the JPY USD, for example, and have it backwards, once I hit enter, nothing happens. I will not get the appropriate chart. So knowing how the pairs are created is going to really organize and simplify the speed of which you can trade. I hope this video was helpful. My name is Russ Horn, and I'll see you in the next video.